Yo, 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 yo! Yo, yo, yo! Look at this view. So I come down here a while back on a Bandit 600 and got lost. I can't remember if I got any footage of it. I don't think I have. But basically, you start going up a lane that's basically on this hillside, but the views are really nice. I mean, look at that. You just don't every day. It looks like you're somewhere else. But they get really narrow down here, like really narrow, like this. Like, yeah, you gotta imagine you get a tractor around here. So it's nice for motorbikes because you can get through easier and you can probably get out of trouble easier. And it's not that busy, so it should be alright if anyone comes down here anyway. But it's such a nice little run. I love it. Some gorgeous views back then. I just can't remember. I think it's straight on. So that's where I was like, oh my god, I don't know where I'm going. I was asking people, the locals, where to go. So I think it was this point, or wasn't it? It might be the next point, to be fair. This is what I mean, it's so steep. I stayed at the top. It's so steep, literally. I remember it being longer than that, to be fair. That's what I put about there, that's what I did this time. So nice. Because it's not so busy, just taking your time. Imagine living up here. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, so narrow. That's the thing, like it's only room for one car really. Oh, a bit of off-roading for John back there. He's probably thinking, what the hell, where's it taking me? Hey, I'm lost. No, I'm messing. I don't say I just got a flat tyre. Do not say I just went over a nail. I heard saying ting in my bike. That's either a stone or a flat tyre. I hope it's neither. Yeah, so I think I turned left because I was looking at Google Maps trying to find my way to Buxton. Well, if I carried on that road where I just, obviously where I started, but on the right, I would have got there, but because I went to the left, I ended up being here. But I kind of like it. Now we're back on like a bit of busy road. See, and we're back. And we're back, yeah. It's just chilling. It is just chilling, literally. So many nice roads, man. So many. And they all lead to some beautiful views. I think this is where, I don't know where this leads out to. Slow down. Yo, 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 yo! Yo, yo, yo! Have you ever been there before? No. So what I did was, you know where the traffic lights was, where we pulled up before? Yeah. I was meant to go right, but from my head, because I didn't have a sat nav like this, I just memorised it. But then I went left. Yeah, I went left. And I was like, where the fuck are we going? But do you want to go up here and have something to eat?
Whatever.
Yeah, the cafe. Alright, so I'm on.